What's up today, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the Kingdom. Today, I made up my own switch panel. I had ordered one from eBay, but I'm guessing where everything burnt down, I lost it. So I made up my own switch panel. It's not done yet. It's not done. It's in the making. See how it goes. But starter, ECM, fuel pump, alternator, and fans. Everything on this is on the switch since we are using our standalone harness. I got that from the guys at Zach's Workshop on YouTube. His name is Zach McCormick. You guys should definitely check him out. If you build a lot of Camrys and interested in learning a lot of tips, he's the guy to go to. He knows what he's at. But yeah, this is my switch panel that I got made up. I'm going to drill this out a bit here now so we can get it bolted down. I still got to get the rest of my toggle switches. I just want to make sure that I can bolt this up correctly. So let's get this drilled out a little bit. Wow, they last long. Should be all right. And that one's all right. Okay. So, get that out of the way. Alright, I guess get a ratchet and start cranking that down, I guess. Alrighty, now we got our ratchets. I think I got the right size. Yep. Okay. Start cranking it down. I don't have my holes drilled very big. I don't want nothing slopping around. Like I said, this only mock-up just got to come off again to sew the rest of my switches. I just want to see how it turns out. There we go. It's down there all the way, I think. Now. Okay, so that piece is down. Need another washer and another nut. Bottom side. Oh yeah, that's gonna be real nice there. What size that was? What size is that on my ratchet? 3/4. I have to go get a bigger wrench. Alrighty, we got ourselves a wrench. I don't think we need this big extension. Okay, actually, you know what we do? We'll go and use this one from the bottom. going at the top. So, going to the bottom. You know what? I was going to put 2 bolts in this, but I don't think she needs it, to be honest with you. I mean, that ain't going nowhere, buddy. That ain't going nowhere. So I think I'll just use the one bolt for that. But oh yeah, that's going to be perfect. Yeah, didn't take me much to make it. Just a little block of aluminum. Cut my holes out for the right sizes, and that's it. And I've almost got the same thing done for my fuel pump holder. I used the same material. It's just L-shaped pieces of aluminum and number on the side. But I cut a couple slots on each side. And what I figure I'm going to do, take the fuel pump and put it in there. I don't know. Take the fuel pump. Kind of mark it up like so. Put it in there. And I'm going to get some rubber to line off on the inside and whatnot, just so bounce it around and stuff and you're not going to ruin it. And I'm going to bolt it down with these. First time I ever used it, but I think it should be alright. Let's have a little look here. Let's take this thing apart. And so pretty much you're going to line this off with rubber all on the inside so that you can, you know, stop from bouncing and shocks and everything. I'm going to take this and, oh, she ain't going to be wide enough. Eek. Okay, well, let me trim it down a little bit. Might need to trim it down just a wee bit because she just won't get in there. Might have to be bent out a little bit. Not by very much, but yeah, that's pretty much going to be the mark cut. Mount it down with that, put some rubber in around it. I think that should look alright. Number around the side. Not going to leave it like that. I'll paint it and make it look a little more prettier. But yeah, that's where she's pretty much going to be bolted to right there. I still got my other fuel pump in here. I don't have the red attachments for this one yet. But yeah, this thing needs a lot of cleaning, boys. I got to get that back window out yet and start. I'm going to beat down that speaker deck just a wee bit, not very much. Where this thing is going to be ran to now, I am allowed a couple things. No welding or plating or anything like that. Creasing I can do all fine if I wanted to. I could still keep on with my custom groove tires. I don't think I'm going to do it. I don't really see the point, to be honest with you. She's not no problem about it. I'm not going doubling tires or anything like that. And this is only going to be one run out of it, so I don't think I'm going to bother with that part. That's too much work for very little outcome. But yeah, anyways, guys, that's my fuse panel, or switch panel for now. And yeah. Anyways, guys, have a good one. We'll be seeing ya.